Hello dear follower from Theophil Academy. We have a question here. The question states that 6 raised to y plus 2 times 2 raised to 1 minus y is equal to 8 divided by 3. Now let's see the solution. Here we have 6y plus 2 times 2 raised to y minus 1 is equal to 8 divided by 3. Here we may break down this 6 into 3 times 2. So here we are going to have 3 times 2 raised to y plus 2 times 2 raised to 1 minus y is equal to 8 divided by 3. Here now let's open the bracket to be 3 raised to y plus 2 times 2 raised to y plus 2 times 2 1 minus y is equal to 8 divided by 3. Then we may combine this one and this because both have the same base, which is 2, which is going to become 3y plus 2 times, we take one base, 2. Then as it is multiplication, we add the exponents. Now it will be y plus 2. This one we add with the y minus, we add with the 1 minus y. This is going to be equal to 8 divided by 3. Then 3y plus 2 times 2, we start adding, and before we add, let's open the bracket. It will be y plus 2 plus 1 minus y. This one is equal to 8 divided by 3. 3y plus 2 times 2, y and y cancel out because it's y minus y. 2 plus 1 is 3, is equal to 8 divided by 3. 3 raised to y plus 2 times 8 as 2 exponent 3 is equal to 8, is equal to 8 divided by 3. Now let's divide it by 8 both sides. So we're going to have this one, 3y plus 2 times 8 is equal to 8 divided by 3. Then we divide by 8 both sides here, and here divided by 8. So 8 and 8 cancel out. Now we're going to have 3y plus 2 is equal to, now this 8 here, remember, taking 8 divided by 3 divided by 8 again is the same as the one who writes this way. 8 divided by 3 divided by 8. Here it will be equal to 8 divided by 3 times 1 divided by 8. Now we're going to have 3y plus 2 is equal to 8 and 8 cancel out to 1 divided by 3. 3y plus 2 is equal to 3 raised to negative 1. And it is known that when the bases are the same, also the exponent will be equal, meaning as here the base is 3 and here the base is 3, it means that even the exponents are equal, meaning y plus 2 is equal to negative 1. So we say that equal base, equal exponents. Equal exponents. So y plus 2 is equal to negative 1. When we solve for y, we're going to get y is equal to -1 minus 2, which is equal to -3. Therefore, the value of y is equal to -3. This is the answer. Thank you.